Hello everyone, welcome to APLEX new product guide tour video program. I'm your host Tiffany. I'm so happy to see you again. Today we are going to introduce two advanced products, ARCHMI-9B and ViTAM-9B. I believe some of you are familiar with our ARCHMI and ViTAM series. They both have superior performance with upgraded CPU. And let's welcome our product manager to introduce more details for us. Hi, Julie.
Hi, Tiffany. Hi, everyone. I'm Julie, the product manager of APLEX Technology. It's my great honor to introduce our new product, ARCHMI-9B. Tiffany, do you know anything about our ARCHMI series?
Of course, Julie. I know that ARCHMI has 5 product lines in total for every application demand in smart factory automation, including ARCHMI 8, 8A, 9, 9A, and the new 9B. The biggest difference of each series is the CPU platform and performance. The newly launched ARCHMI-9B is powered by Whiskey Lake CPU. It has a better performance than the previous ARCHMI series.
That's right. Whiskey Lake Core i CPU also provides advanced graphic computing. ARCHMI-9B DDR4 memory size is up to 32 GB. Besides that, we upgrade to the new generation storage interface M.2. It speeds up the data transfer performance.
Okay, let's explore the feature of the rugged and compact HMI. First, the I/O interface is equipped with 4 USB 3, Type A, 2 LAN, 1 COM, and 1 DP ports. By the way, the DP cord can convert to HDMI, DVI, and VGA signal.
Besides, we also provide additional expansion cards, the TB52A series. You can add additional I/O capabilities such as COM, LAN, USB, mini PCIe, CAN bus, PoE, and so on.
Wow, that's so flexible and convenient.
Moreover, Tiffany, do you know what the challenge of the factory automation is?
Well, actually, I have no idea.
Okay, it's the power failure. ARCHMI-9B equips a backup battery system for option, just like this. Ooh. It protects equipment from damage for sudden shutdown. It helps to keep the power supply for short term.
Oh, so the ARCHMI-9B system and the equipment could be shut down properly. Well, let's look at the front side. It has a flat design. And the rear side, it is constructed with aluminum die-casting chassis, which supports panel mount and bedside mount.
ARCHMI series offers full range LCD size, including general LCD and high brightness LCD. The panel size is from 12.1 inch to 32 inch. The front flat panel can meet IP66 dust and waterproof standard. Besides that, we also provide the resistive touch and the 7H harness PCT for customer options. Therefore, ARCHMI-9B is really suitable for factory automation application by providing data computing, real-time monitoring, integrating data transmission, automation control, and so on.
ARCHMI-9B is such a wonderful and rugged HMI for factory automation applications. Julie, before welcoming Curtis, do you have anything that you want to emphasize?
Yes. ARCHMI-9B with all sizes available. We not only provide the latest high-performance rugged HMI, but also all-round platforms. ARCHMI series can meet various smart factory requirements.
Thank you, Julie, for such an impressive introduction.
Thank you.
Next, let's welcome Curtis to present the new upgraded panel PC, ViTAM-9B. Hi, Curtis.
Hi, Tiffany. Hello, everyone. I'm Curtis, the product manager of APLEX Technology. I am in charge of this product, ViTAM-9B. It is a stainless steel panel PC. Tiffany, do you know what the advantage of a stainless steel is?
Sure, it is 100% recyclable and environmentally friendly construction, which is rugged and durable to be able to resist temperature, wide range variation, and water resistance Besides, it is also anti-corrosive, germ-resistant, and antioxidant.
That's right, Tiffany. As you mentioned, ViTAM has all the advantage too, so that it is perfectly designed for pharmaceutical industry, medical, biotechnology industry, beverage industry, and the food industry due to its hygienic properties.
In this application, hygiene is the biggest concern. Therefore, cleaning and disinfecting is the most important procedure in manufacturing. ViTAM-9B can reach those strict sanitation standards by being equipped with all-round IP66 and optional IP69K dust-proof and waterproof certified materials. It is also be able to resist intensive thorough cleaning with high temperature and high pressure up to 100 bars at an 80 degrees Celsius water jet.
Moreover, with M12 connectors, there will be no concern for water ingress. Therefore, ViTAM is also strong enough to withstand harsh environments and the requirements.
Wow, sounds like ViTAM is really suitable for humid and high hygienic standard applications.
Yes.
ViTAM-9B comes with various display sizes, ranging from 15, 15.6, 17, 19, 21.5, and 23.8 inches LCD. All sizes support both resistive and projective capacitive touchscreen. It comes in one USB 2, one LAN, one COM, and optional two interface of two USB 2, one USB 3.2, one LAN, one COM, and one CAN. But Curtis, what's the difference between the new product ViTAM-9B and the previous ViTAM series?
Okay, good question, Tiffany. The ViTAM-9B is powered by advanced CPU, the 8th generation Intel Core i processor, and built to up to 64 GB DDR4. In addition, it also equipped with the new M.2 SSD and Wi-Fi 6. With these features, ViTAM-9B has a faster computing performance, speed, data transfer speed, and less latency and less power consumption for more complicated applications.
The Wi-Fi 6 is an IEEE standard for wireless local area networks and the successor of 802.11ac. It is also known as high-efficiency Wi-Fi for the overall improvement as well as data transmission speed to Wi-Fi 6 users under dense environments. In addition, don't forget it also has a full-size SATA or mini PCIe expansion slot and optional RFID design for a simple working procedure. The RFID application can help upload and remove the information of the product to save a huge amount of time when checking the details. Also, it can highly improve the data accuracy and availability.
Exactly. The last thing I want to mention is the ViTAM also comes in 6 product lines, including ViTAM-1, 6, 8, 9, 9A, and 9B, with different CPU platform and the display monitor. All of them support the comprehensive mounting kits, such as the Young Mount Kit, Swing Mount Kit, Full Stand Kit, and the Visa Mount, which includes stand kit and wall kit.
Wow, ViTAM can really fit in any application. It is truly a perfect choice for industry today, which has high hygienic standard and demand. Today, we have learned so much about two wonderful rugged HMI ARCHMI-9B and PC ViTAM-9B. They both have been elevated to new platforms to provide a higher performance. If you are looking for a higher level one, please feel free to contact us. We have a whole series of ARCHMI and ViTAM with different CPU platforms to meet any application requirements.
Yes, please contact our sales team for more information.
Thank you all for watching and make sure you don't miss out the next video. See you soon.
Bye bye.